Good day and welcome to the channel. In this short video, we are going to explain how to sysprep a Windows 11 machine. Now, if you've sysprepped a Windows 10 machine so that it gets new GUIDs, new unique identifiers, you'll know that you have to uninstall a bunch of apps, and it's a pain in the butt. And when I say apps, I'm talking about Microsoft Store apps. In Windows 11, they have substantially improved this. There's far fewer things to be removed. So let's go through the process. You don't have to do this, but I always turn off the antivirus. And I also like to get rid of any superfluous profiles, anything that's not needed. So click Start and type Advanced System Settings. Go to your user profiles, click Settings, and delete anyone that doesn't need to be there. Now let's get to the SysPrep. Go to your C drive, go to Windows, System 32, and then SysPrep. See the address along the top here. Right-click on SysPrep and select Run as Administrator. If you don't run it as admin, it will not work. I'm going to select Generalize, and I want to shut it down. Reboot's fine for most people, but I do want to do a shutdown. This will error out, at least I suspect. Yeah, there we go. So it's saying, hey, you know, we need to go look at the log. So let's just go look at the log. The log is in the Panther folder, and it's that one right there. Just double-click on it. You can read it, but I would just scroll to the bottom. It's usually where the errors are. Okay, so here's the problem. This package needs to be removed. Remove apps. There we go. Let's do that. Copy a relevant part of that package. Right-click and select Copy, just to put it in your clipboard. And then you can close it. Then right-click on the Start button and select Windows Terminal. Run it as an admin. And the command to remove it is get app-x package. Just press tab there, tab complete, and then dash all users. Put a wildcard in, just the star, then paste in what you have in your clipboard, that relevant part, and another wildcard at the end, so we don't have to type too much. And remove dash app-x package. Bingo. And then we have to also deprovision it. So that is get app-x provision package dash online type, which is just shift and the character above the enter key, where object, so need a space there. There we go. Display name dash like quote wildcard, paste in the name again. Wildcard, quote, and then a pipe, again, remove app-x package, just use tab complete on that, dash online. So it looks complex, but if you read it, it's not very hard. So the mistake I made was this provision package. I typed it wrong. There it is. Beautiful. Let's try it again. Back to SysPrep. Run as admin. Make sure you click Generalize. That's the key thing. I'm going to do shutdown again. There we go. That's it, boys and girls. When this comes back up, it'll be a brand new machine with new GUIDs. Hey, if you found this video useful, big thumbs up would be appreciated. Subscribe's also appreciated. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always get a hold of us directly at www.urtech.ca. That's www.urtech.ca. Or you can leave a question or comment below, and if we don't get back to you, somebody else will. Because on YouTube, everybody's got an opinion. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.